Anya Army, welcome back to Home Base. I'm Anya Havita. And welcome to or back to my channel. Today it's all about my braids. I have done my own braids, cornrows, whatever, since I was like 10, 12. I actually watched my older sister. She used to be like the one in the family that everybody went to get their hair done. And I thought she braided too hard, so I was like, I could braid my own hair without it being ripped out the daggone scalp. I practiced on my Bratz doll head. Do y'all remember those? Did you have one? Only bad bitches had one, okay, period. So if you had one, you a bad bitch, certified from birth. That's how I learned how to braid, cornrow, all that was on that doll's head. So it paid off. I wanted to pass, ooh. Before we get into this box braid tutorial, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and meet me in the comments to discuss. Let me know if you like my technique, if you learned anything from it, if it's similar to yours or totally different from yours. I'll meet you down there. Good morning, y'all. I know I look crazy, but I'm on my way to the bathroom to wash my hair to get this braiding situation started. Let's get it started. Oh, Lord. Clearly, I just woke up. I need to wash my hair. But this is the situation that I'm working with right now. I just have my hair braided and pinned. Ooh. Got some tangles in this mug. Ooh-wee. I am using this Sulfur 8. Hold on now. Focus, baby. Focus. I'm using this Sulfur 8 deep cleaning shampoo. Ugh, this works so freaking well. Like, I have a dry scalp and like dandruff will come up. You see that? That is from my scalp. These huge flakes. So I use the Sulfur 8 shampoo and it gets all that out. Forehead is breaking the fuck out. That is why I'm putting these braids in my freaking hair, because I've been wearing a wig and it's hot out here and I've been sweating. So like my forehead has been on fire. So braids it is, yeah. This is my hair all combed out. It is growing well, thick and healthy. My hair is thick, healthy, honey. Healthy hair. Okay. Oh, because I thought a bald bitch said something. Girl, the shrinkage is so real. Like, our hair is crazy. Like, look at that, the shrinkage. I just wanted to come and show y'all what my shrinkage be looking like. Cause honey, these curls get tight. But it's kind of cute, it's kind of a vibe. I wish my natural hair was easier for me to take care of. And I don't mean that to say that black hair is difficult, anti-black bullshit, none of that, none of that. It's just, I am lazy when it comes to my hair, which is why I'm about to do these braids, because I'm tired of doing my wig every day and I'm tired of the got to be on my forehead. So no, I'm tripping. So yeah, now I'm gonna rinse this out, blow dry it, and get to braiding. The original formula, Sulfur 8. Yes, throwback. But you know what? If it ain't broke, don't break it. And I'm doing this before I, what's it called? Blow dry my hair. Just so that it really gets locked in. And I'm parting off small sections and going in, because this is my area that's really bad. So this is where I need the grease the most. Make sure it really penetrates in there, and then with the heat of the, dang, I can't, oof, God, it hurts. With the heat from the blow dryer, it'll kind of liquefy and like seal in. Now I know I'm looking like Polar Express, but my hair is all blow dried, ready to be braided. I have on my braiding outfit. Yeah, girl, I had to take a break, get a little snack. Gotta deal with these dogs. Come here, Groot. This is Groot. Say hi, honey. He's like, no, bitch, I need to go pee. Say hi, honey. Y'all go follow his Instagram. He's literally the cutest little baby. Yeah. Yeah, you want to show him your shirt? Look, it says bitches love me. I'm bitches. Ah! Oh, oh. Didn't spill the drink. You're the drink, Groot. I love you, honey. Okay, let's go. Alright, so this is my setup. I'm downstairs on the couch so that I can watch anime while I am doing my hair. But the way that I have it set up is I have a mirror that stands on its own sitting back there. And then I'm going to use this to look in the back mirror and part my hair. So I went ahead and took the back out. I'm keeping the front two twisted up. I'm just going to pin those. I'm just going to pin those up and away. And so I have the back out. And I'm going to use this rat-tailed comb to part the back. I got this big old pro style. And the hair that I'm using is Ross Offrey in the Kikilian pre-stretched number 2, 54 inches. And how I do it, I like the little one, big one. There we go, yeah. I like the small one, big one method. You see this one is less than this one. What's gonna happen is I'm going to wrap this, put the two small sides together, pinch, and now I have 3. And then I'm just going to put that in my hair. I'm going to put some gel, and I make sure that I get the gel on all 4 sides so that I can really grip. I run it through the hair because I just blow dried it. I didn't flat iron it, so the ends still have a little, you know, kink to them. So I'm gonna come back to that hair that I just 3'd off. Go ahead and get it in your fingers. I'm going to pinch and put one section with each strand of my real hair, a section of my, and then grip as tight as you can while kind of pushing the hair up, and then braid down. Make sure you braid tight, and I'm just gonna keep going up. I'll come back when I'm about halfway through so y'all can see how I'm doing. is where I'm at right now. I have this whole side left to do. See the difference? This side is dipped. Nice pretty curl to it. And this side is not.